Can AI start a business for you? AI can help a lot, but it can't run the entire business alone. In 2025, AI tools can create product ideas, write scripts, design logos, edit videos, and even manage ads. This makes starting a business faster and easier than ever. But AI still needs your direction. You need to choose the niche, set the strategy, and make decisions. AI can create content, but you still need to understand your audience and guide the process. AI can speed things up, but it can't replace real human creativity or business judgment. The best part is that AI reduces costs. You don't need a big team anymore. You can use AI for research, marketing, customer support, and product creation. This allows beginners to start with less money and less stress. So, can AI start a business for you? Not completely. But it can help you build one much faster. If you use AI wisely and combine it with your own ideas, you can create a strong online business in 2025. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple online business tips.